In the Bible, New Testament, chapter number 18, verse number 18. I will raise them up a prophet from among their brethren, like unto thee, and I will put my words in his mouth, and he shall speak unto them. All I shall command him. Is it Jesus? Jesus was like Moses, peace be upon him. Christian scholar says this is about Jesus Christ because Moses, peace be upon him, was a Jew, as well as Jesus Christ was a Jew. Moses, peace be upon him, was a prophet, as well as Jesus Christ was a prophet. If these two are the only criteria for this prophecy to be fulfilled, then all the prophets who came after Moses, peace be upon him, such as Solomon, Isaiah, Ezekiel, Daniel, Hosea, Joel, Malachi, John the Baptist, etc., peace be upon all of them, will fulfill this prophecy, since all were Jew as well as prophet. If you are not biased, please think, is it Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him? Is Muhammad, peace be upon him, like Moses? Both had a father and a mother, while Jesus Christ born miraculously without any male intervention. Both were married and had children, but Jesus Christ, according to Bible, did not marry, neither had any children. Both died natural death, but Jesus Christ has been raised up alive according to Quran and according to Christian crucified. Both, besides being prophets, were also kings. They could inflict capital punishment. But Jesus, peace be upon him, said, my kingdom is not of this world. New Testament, Gospel of John, chapter number 18, verse number 36. Both were accepted as prophets by their people in their lifetime. But Jesus, peace be upon him, was rejected by his people. Gospel of John, chapter number 1, verse number 11 states, he came unto his own, but his own received him not. Both brought new laws and new regulations for their people. Jesus, peace be upon him, according to the Bible, did not bring any new laws. Gospel of Matthew, chapter number 5, verse number 17 and 18. Further, in the book of Isaiah, chapter number 29, verse number 12, and the book is delivered to him that is not learned, saying, read this, I pray thee. And he said, I am not learned. It is Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, because when Archangel Jibreel commanded Muhammad, peace be upon him, by saying, Iqra, read, he replied, I am not learned. Further, in the New Testament, Jesus Christ also predicted for the same. In Gospel of John, chapter number 14, verse number 16, and I will pray the Father, and he shall give you another comforter, that he may abide with you forever. Further, Gospel of John, chapter number 15, verse number 26, but when the comforter is come, whom I will send unto you from the Father, even the Spirit of truth, which proceedeth from the Father, he shall testify of me. Who is this? Is this Archangel Jibreel? No, because Bible says in Gospel of John, chapter number 16, verse number 7, nevertheless, I tell you the truth, it is expedient for you that I go away. For if I go not away, the Comforter will not come unto you. But if I depart, I will send him unto you. Further, Gospel of John, chapter number 16, verse number 12 to 14. I have yet many things to say unto you, but ye cannot bear them now. Howbeit, when he, the Spirit of truth, is come, he will guide you unto all truth. For he shall not speak of himself, but whatsoever he shall hear, that shall he speak, and he will shew you things to come. He shall glorify me, and Islam is the only faith in non-Christian faith who makes an article to believe in Jesus, and all Muslim glorifies Jesus, peace be upon him, because Prophet Muhammad glorifies him.